Music Production.
What's poppin'? We got a little interesting stock here. We got Dole. Do you guys know Dole? The bananas? Yeah, you guys know this, right? I don't know if they do any other fruits and shit, but I just know Dole from I remember being younger, and every time I'd like have a banana, I'd have a Dole sticker on it. So you'd think that like this is a huge produce company, right? Like they gotta have something going on, no? Um, it's super interesting to see this massive bull flag going on here. We've broken up over this resistance zone, right? $9.50 held us back since June, right? And it has one, two, three, four, five clean rejections. We make a 52-week low, gather, and then we rip. So from a daily, weekly perspective, sorry, we're creating this bull flag. So it's nice to see. We're seeing the volume drop off on the bull flag. Dividends coming up. What we want to see here, right? This pattern is a bullish pattern. It's a continuation pattern. So what we want to see is potentially maybe we come back and we test this support, right? Previous resistance should act as support. So if that were to happen, we would likely see something like that before we get that continuation. But if this is a clean bull flag and this is going to, pretty much telling us now that, no, it's ready to go now, we're looking for that breakout coming in hot. So it might happen in the next few days here on Dole. So again, not much going on. Let's check the volume profile and see. Look at that straight gap right up into this zone, right? So, excuse me, there's definitely a trade here. Definitely a trade here. Let's check this out here. We have this resistance, right? Is it resistance now? A few rejections, but before it was support. Previous support turns into resistance. So that's the target, right? This is our target. We'll be paying attention to this. I'll do another update on this in the next few days and maybe next week, because I do think it's clean to practice looking at these opportunities, right? So I was talking about a lot of crypto related names before this. The crypto related names are in not so good shape. You look at the chart and you're like, damn, it looks brutal. Over the next little weeks, months, we're going to see price action change. There's going to probably be a switch up in demand of the stock, right? You're going to see patterns like the bull flag right here. This pattern will start to develop on those names that we're getting beat up in a few months from now. So it's good to notice this pattern, have it locked down that when you notice it, you'll want to pull the trigger on it, right? The opportunities here on this name right now, right? So that's from 1039 to this resistance zone up here is a 20% trade. That's not bad at all, right? That's a pretty solid trade. So that's the breakdown here on Dole, and that's what I'd be looking for. If we don't get that breakout in this week, right? If it doesn't break out of the bull flag this week and say the market is a little bit choppy, maybe we'll look for it to retest that support, right? So that's the breakdown here on Dole. Peace.